Wonderful day, everyone! This is Teacher Jera from EnglishReadingBasic1. Welcome to another fun and interesting lesson about English passages. Today, you will encounter a flashy passage about science wherein you can learn a lot of words. So, let's all together study the book English Reading Basic 1. Today, we will tackle Unit 4. And the title of our new passage is Blizzard. So, let's all read it. In this video, you can learn the meaning of blizzard and in what areas can you experience this. So, let's have it now. First, I will read the story or the passage slowly so you can be familiar with how the words should be pronounced. And after that, you can join me as I read it for the second time, but it will be in a faster pace. So listen carefully. In summer, we experience hurricanes. When a hurricane comes, winds blow strongly and it rains a lot. So what happens if we have a hurricane in winter? It is called a blizzard. When a blizzard comes, the temperature is very low. Winds blow strongly with heavy snow. In some areas, blizzards come more often than in other areas. In the United States, northeastern areas such as New York, Massachusetts, or Connecticut experience blizzards a lot. Have you ever been in a blizzard? No? Then you were very lucky. So now, let's read it for the second time. Let's begin. In summer, we experience hurricanes. When a hurricane comes, winds blow strongly and it rains a lot. So what happens if we have a hurricane in winter? It is called a blizzard. When a blizzard comes, the temperature is very low. Winds blow strongly with heavy snow. In some areas, blizzards come more often than in other areas. In the United States, northeastern areas such as New York, Massachusetts, or Connecticut experience blizzards a lot. Have you ever been in a blizzard? No? Then you are very lucky. Okay, so I hope you got all the words correctly. And if you have time, you can go back to this video and practice your reading skills. Now let's have some activities so you can enhance your reading comprehension as well as in making sentences. For our first activity, we have select true or false. So here, we will check if you really understand the passage that you read. So, you need to mark T if you think the sentence is correct and F if you think the sentence is incorrect. So let's have number 1. Here's the sentence. A hurricane comes in winter. So what do you think is the right answer? Okay, you got it right. This sentence is false. So let's check why this is the answer. So here is the sentence that will prove that sentence number 1 is really false. In summer, we experience hurricanes. So, it's in summer, not in winter. Now, let's proceed to number 2. New York experiences a lot of blizzards. So, is it true or is it false? Good job! This sentence is true. So let's go back to the passage and read the sentence. Let's read a sentence. In the United States, northeastern areas such as New York, Massachusetts, or Connecticut experience blizzards a lot. So here, New York experiences blizzards a lot. Okay, now let's have number 3. Here's the sentence. Blizzards come with heavy rain. So what is your final answer now? Okay, this sentence is false. So, let's have the proof. Let's check the sentence. Winds blow strongly with heavy snow. So here, it is with heavy snow, not heavy rain. Okay, so I hope you got all the correct answers. Now let's enhance your vocabulary. Let's learn some words. Now let's have word box. Here you will encounter 8 words as well as its pronunciation and Korean meaning. So, please repeat after me. Blizzard, experience, hurricane, strongly, temperature, heavy, area, and the last one, lucky. Okay, so if you have free time, you can make sentences for these words. Now, let's proceed to our last activity. Here we have vocabulary checkup. In this activity, we will check how good are you in constructing sentences. You need to complete 4 sentences to complete the idea. You can choose from these words. So, let's begin now. For sentence number 1, it was a really bad blank. So what do you think is the missing word? So let's check your answer now. Here's the sentence. It was a really bad blizzard. So the answer is blizzard. Now let's move on to number 2. I want to blank many cultures. So what do you think is the right word for that sentence? The appropriate word is experience. So here's the sentence again. I want to experience many cultures. How about number 3? The blank goes up in summer. So what do you think is the right word? Great! It is the word temperature. So the sentence is, the temperature goes up in summer. Now let's have number 4. A hurricane comes with blank rain. So it's easy. What is the missing word? Good! It is the word heavy. So, I hope you got all the correct answers for this activity. So this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot. So again, this is Teacher Jera saying study hard and do good. Have a nice day everyone. Bye bye.